contains 24 values. I want to create a 4 cross, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. It contains 12 values. I want to convert to 2, 6, 2 cross 6 matrix. Okay. So how I'm going to convert to that? C dot shape is equal to, okay, 2 comma 6. Now I print the value. I want to print this what 6 comma 2. So I print the value here. Okay. So this what how we are going to change the shape. How we are going to change the shape. What happened? I want to. So totally I'm having only 12 values, but I plan to convert to the 18 values. It's a error. We can't change to this particular shape. Okay. So this what is that? Another thing. So how we are creating. So after that, how we assign the value to that shape at the same time. So how I'm going to do that? Uh, so this what is that? A B dot n dimension. So I want to change. This is equal to 3. Okay. So not writable. Keep in mind that n dimension is not writable. So this what read only. This what read only. We can change the shape, but the dimension we can't change it. So that's a observation from this particular thing is okay. The same thing is we can do that. Another thing is with the help of reshape functions. With the help of reshape functions. Okay. So what I'm having that, or I'm having that A. Sorry, C is 6 class 2. I want to change to that thing is okay. D is equal to C dot reshape. Yes, shape of reshape of. Okay. So the reshape of we need to provide here 4 comma 3. Now I print the value C. Now I print the value D. 4 rows, 3 columns. 4 rows, 3 columns. So this what how we are going to convert to that reshape methods. Okay, changing the shape, changing the shape. Okay, so the similar thing is we can create. Similar thing is we can create with the help of matrix also. Okay, we have one of the method. Another thing is what is that a matrix method. Okay, so the another thing is the method is we have that a matrix method. MAT matrix method. Okay, so how we are going to work with that particular matrix method. So NP dot matrix, NP dot matrix of, so simply 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 4. So this what is a matrix, NP dot matrix. Okay, so what happened? What happened? So now you please look over here. I save it here. X is equal to now x comma x dot n dimension comma x dot shape.
Vaccinated. As by yesterday morning, you told you will be giving the paper. Where? Huh? No, what?
Yes, I not planned on Friday.
Hello.
That much thing.
Yeah. So this what our thing is. So the dimension and everything. So suppose we can do that thing is in a single things. Okay. So here you please look about here. What happened now? So this what if you print the value of, so 1 cross 4. So this what a matrix. In that previous case, you please look about here the difference. Y is equal to NP dot array of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay. So you please look about here. Y. You please look about here output 15th line and output 52 line. We are creating with the help of mat function. We are creating with that array function. Okay. So here the dimension is 1. Here dimension is 2. Here size is 4. It contains one dimension. That's what a vector. It contains 4 values. But here it's a matrix. So that's a difference. So with the help of mat also we can create the array. Okay, so that things. So after that we can create excuse me. So we can create with a matrix with the help of zero function, one function, and a fill function, right? With the help of full functions. Okay, so these are the functions used to create arrays. Used to create arrays. So you please kindly go through that. Now we work that things, right? So now I clear the screen. Okay, so the first thing is we are going to create things. Okay, so A is equal to np dot zeros of now here. Now I print the value of A. Okay, so here I want to know the type. I want to know that type. So simply I'm going to mention type of A. NumPy dot n dimensional. ND array means n dimensional array. That's the meaning. Okay, NumPy dot n dimensional array. Okay, so here I want to create only a numeric. I want to create an integer. So simply I want to mention T type is equal to integer. So you please look about here the difference 55th line and 58th line. Okay, so this what how we are going to create out zeros. Okay, I want to create a matrix. It contains 3x4 matrix, and everything is just zero value. Everything is what a zero value. What I can do that thing is so 3x4. So totally 12 values. So totally 12 values, and we can do that thing is a dot size. A dot size. It indicates what is that how many elements present in your numpy object. So that's a key point. Okay, so now what I want to do that I want to create a is equal to nb dot zeros of. Okay, so here the shape I need to provide. So shape I need to provide. So here I want to 3 comma 4. That thing is, and t type is equal to int. Now you simply print the value. So this one of 3x4. Okay, 0. Similar way we can do for ones. Okay, the similar way we can do for that np dot full. So np dot full of the first thing is we need to provide the shape. So I want to give 3x6, comma fill value. I want fill with 2, comma my type t type is equal to int. T type is equal to int. That thing is. So 3 cross. So fill. Okay. So this what is that another mechanism to do that. Okay. So the next thing is so we have worked with the NP attributes. After that we worked with reshape function. Then we worked with the zeros, ones, and the fill. Okay. So this what how we are going to create the array like that. We have looked about that. So, okay. So the next thing is indexing. So the next thing is okay. So how we are going to access the NumPy elements, NumPy values. So NumPy index. So the next thing is okay. So you please look over here. So control. Okay. Also we have that array range function. We have that I show that thing is also array range function. So A is equal to nb dot array range of 10. You can also rechange it. Okay. So okay, we can also rechange. So here I want to have that 10 and I want to change it to reshape of 2 comma 5. So this what a range, array range, np dot array range. Okay. So this what another functions we have discussed that. What is that? A range, array range. Okay. So then we can create that. I want to create random values. Okay. So simply I want to create the np dot random dot rand int of 10. So low value is 1 and high value is 5. Okay, so I want to create a rand int of, okay, just a minute, I will. Okay, so the next thing is I want to create the random integer in the size of 5, 2. Now you look about here. So random value we are generating the range of 1 and 5. 5 is excluded. Keep in mind 5 is excluded in the sizes like this way. Okay, so this what how we are going to generate the thing is. Okay, so then we are going to look. Okay, this all about how we are going to create a numpy array. How we are going to create a numpy array. So what is that is we work with that random also. Okay, so now the next thing is how we are going to do that indexing. How we are going to do that indexing. Okay, so indexing and slicing. So after that, we do a small project. Okay, fine. So the first thing is we are going to create the index, right? So I create that a is equal to np dot array of 5. I know the this what what will be the dimension n dimension of this particular object? What will be that? N dot n dimension. It will be scalar value. So that's what will be 0, right? So we can access a is 4, a of 0. Because this it's not possible. So scalar value. So why I need to index like a 0? It's not possible. So only the vector and one dimension and two dimension only we can do the indexing. Okay, that's the key point I want to share it here. So now the next thing. So the first thing is indexing with 0 dimension value. It lead to a error message. The next thing is, okay, we are working with indexing with 1 dimensional and 2 dimensional. Working with 1 dimensional and 2 dimensional. Working with 1 dimensional and 2 dimensional value. Okay, so that's we are going to focus here. Okay, so simply what's the key point I want to mention here? A is equal to np dot a range of 12. Okay, dot reshape. Okay, 3 cross 4. Okay, so now this what a value. So now I want to access a of 0. First we work with this what a 2 dimension. First we work with a single dimension. Okay, so this what things. So now this what a. So now this a of 0, a of 1, a of 4, a of 180. Index out of bound exception. Okay, so a of minus 1 is 11. So minus also possible. A of minus 10, a of minus 14, index out of bound exception. So this is what how we are going to access the single dimensions. Okay, so the same things we can do for that multi-dimensional also. 2-dimensional. So what I want to do that. So this what I want to have a of 0, 1. So 0th row, first column, we got the answers. I want to access the 11. How to access the 11? This what the row number is 0, 1, 2. So simply I want to do that A of 2, comma, and column number 0, 1, 2, 3. Column number is 3. This is what how we are going to access the things. Okay, how we are going to access the things. Okay, so after that we said about that how we are going to access the row wise. So simply I want to access simply here also keep in mind that what happened is index out of bound exceptions. Index out of bound exception with axis 1. So axis 0 is a row, axis 1 is a column. Axis 0 is a row, axis 1 is a column. So here axis 1 size is 4. Axis 1 size is 4. Okay. So this what common information, right? So after that, simply we can do that is A of 0. This indicate 0 1. So 0th row. I want to access A of 1. 4, 5, 6, 7. So this what how we are going to access the 0th vector, first vector, like that way also we can do that things. Okay, so how I'm going to do that? A transport. So A dot transport. It's simply transpose matrix. It's simply the transpose matrix. This was this particular. So this would so accessing this particular thing. So then we are looking at NumPy slicing. Okay, so NumPy slicing. So hope you know that a slicing. So what we are going to slicing? We are going to extract the subset. We are going to extract the subset from the things. Okay, so here how we are going to do that? Okay, so this what our A. I want to slice. First, we work with single dimension. Size array of 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So this what right. So now I want to take A of 2 colon 6. So here 0 index, first index, second index. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is excluded. The index 6 is excluded now. The index 6 is excluded now. Okay. So also do like this way. So here the first thing is indicate start. The second thing is end. End is excluded. And the third is step. Okay. So third is step. So now what I'm going to do that simply A of I want to take every odd position. Every odd position value I need it. So we odd position start from 1 to end. So end I mention ignore that particular thing is and every so